Hello folks, I am Papa Bonn. I am an artist and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am doing a mural for Kraftinn. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into it. So 2 weeks back, I got a call from Kraftinn and they told me that they might have a work for me. Then I said,
Okay.
and that's how it all started. Like in the start of every project, we sat down and talked about the details for the mural. After that, I showed them my first concept, to which they said,
No.
so anyway, I took a step back and went to their workshop to get a bit more insight. Going to their workshop, it was really eye-opening. When I gave them the second concept, they gave me a thumbs up. And that's when the real fun started. When I approach my mural project, my concepts are usually based on one character and the story behind it. But in this one, my client was very specific about what they want. So I decided to get out of my comfort zone, get my thinking cap and just grind it out. It took me around 6 days just to get the concept right. When I was at 50% through my project, my client told me to add a female subject to my mural. To which I said,
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes!
so I decided to draw my non-existing girlfriend. When I start a mural project, I usually do the background first. But since in this one I had more than one subject, I had to figure out where to place it on the wall. So I decided to go the other way around. After my subjects were in place, there wasn't much space for the backgrounds to fill in. So instead of using latex, I decided to do it with acrylics only, which wasn't really a good idea. But since I was halfway there already, I just decided to pull it out. After I completed my first mural, I jumped into the second one right away. But before we get there, let's talk a bit more about Kraftinn. So Kraftinn is a brand from Assam who makes home decor and utility products. They make these products from natural elements like meteka, bet, bamboo, etc. If you want to check their products out, I will add a link in my description below. Getting back to my project, the second mural was a bit simpler than the first one, so that was a relief. So this video is coming to an end, but before I conclude, I would like to thank Subham Baruah for recommending me for this mural project. He is a digital artist from Assam. Do check his work out. I will add links in my description below. So if you like this video, do consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that said, enjoy the reveal.